DIY mask, I believe I can only lead to self-destruction. So I just keep myself away from anything. I don't touch myself. But yes, I do. Yeah, because you know how my skin type is. Like I have a combination skin, so I
Yeah.
can't do anything without proper guidance. So for now, I'm just relying on my skincare routine. But other than
Yeah.
that, yes, I do use besan nahate
Okay.
waqt. Like yeah, I scrub my skin with besan, and then I use dahi for my hair, for my
Yeah.
scalp
Okay. So,
because of dandruff.
okay. So
I
if you yeah, so what I would say, what you rightly pointed out is that the DIYs usually अभी option नहीं है. People want to try something. उसमें भी a word of caution, Sana. People are just following everything randomly without knowing what might react on their skin, and then they are breaking out into skin issues and rashes, which I think
correct.
I discovered
Correct. That is why I
on.
don't touch my skin. I think it's not
Yes.
my zone.
Yes, but yes, if you are doing something like a curd, which is again lactic acid, वो gently exfoliate करता है skin को, detan करने में help करता है. So you could probably take a little curd with a little bit of maybe oats. That's my favorite because it kind of is very compatible with every skin type, and then you could use that. And curd on the hair, yeah,
Oats.
some people like
Oats. Did I just
oats.
hear oats?
Oats
Wow.
with a little bit of curd and a little bit of maybe 2 drops of lemon juice, and just you could use it on the face and hands. And that's more gentle. If somebody is a big fan of DIY, so we have shared some DIYs in the post and in our Insta live
Yes.
earlier. And it's better to be in touch with an expert and ask them about an active ingredient like how you do spatula. कि आपने antioxidants और जो भी essential चीजें हैं वो लगा दो and you are sorted out. Okay, so definitely I think we've been getting a lot of questions, and it's been a wonderful session. And if you need to know anything about skin, hair, health, wellness, fun, keep the questions going on. But I think, Sana, I want to know is if you want to just pass on some quick tips or some message. So we could, yeah. So I would like to take another session if your fans want, because they're asking something specific on topics. We could have one more Sham Ki Chai maybe next week. But yes, it's been a wonderful session. Yeah, it's
Yes.
been a very good session. I didn't feel मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम बातें कर रहे हैं क्लिनिक में बैठ के या just over coffee.
This is how we generally, yeah.
Yeah, this is how we talk usually. So anything in particular that you would like to re-emphasize or just talk to the followers?
Yeah, I have been seeing a lot of messages where people are saying you're not replying to our message. Firstly, hi everybody, and thank you so much. Sorry.
So, doctor, can you help me then? Even I can see
Yes.
some messages.
When can we have dal makhani? Oh
Yeah,
God, I
even
wish
I
I
want.
could answer you.
So that was a good
And
secret that we.
hmm. And then actually there are. Do you use henna for hands, Sana? henna for
Huh?
hand henna hand के लिए ही होता है और बालों के लिए ही होता है बट आई डोंट नो अभी किसी की शादी आई नहीं है तो मैंने बहुत टाइम से मेहंदी नहीं लगाई है अपने हाथ पे.
Yes, yes, मेहंदी. Yeah. So do you know henna की बात हो रही है तो henna जब आप बाल पे लगाते हो it actually dries up your hair. So yeah, it stays.
But a lot of people say कि मेहंदी बालों के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है apparently and
Yes, it depends on the quality, and if you use it regularly, like some people get that orange tinge. Have you seen their hair going very dry? Because वो पूरा
yeah.
yeah, so the henna doesn't leave it. It just some traces of it stay behind in the hair shaft and cuticle. So yes,
Right.
it can be drying. So yes and no. That's the answer.
Yes
Sana
and
looks
no.
so agree. So yes, they're sending a lot of love to Sana, and she's somebody.
Thank you so
who is.
much.
So yes, so I think Sana, if I could take this time also to kind of Give a little small message. Okay, they're missing you again. There are a lot of questions around Divya Drishti
Next
also.
show, about my next show, as of now there is nothing that I have in my mind because it's a lockdown period और हमने अपने काम को अभी तक डिस्कस नहीं किया है. मेरा शो रैप होकर एक महीना भी नहीं हुआ था कि हमारा लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हो गया. So yeah, that is one thing. That is why I don't have any information about the new project. About Divya Drishti season 2, we are हमें बहुत खुशी होती है आप लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स देखकर और आपका प्यार देखकर एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी आई एम श्योर द प्रोड्यूसर्स आर आल्सो सीइंग इट इट्स नॉट इन माय हैंड्स to get any season 2 season 3 and yeah I don't know which shampoo you use. Which shampoo do you use? So I use a shampoo that is good for that has the keratin thing in it. So yeah, as I said, I am not the professional, but yeah, I try to use mild shampoos.
Okay. Do you use a conditioner too?
Yeah, I use a conditioner, but I don't know. I never apply the conditioner on my scalp. Is it
Right.
right?
That's very, very important. So we actually spoke about how to use the shampoo, the conditioner the right way. I think most of us know is no. You need to use the conditioner only towards the hair ends because scalp हमारा already is oily. Especially we stay in a humid country. Heat is so much. Scalp पे अगर आप conditioner लगाओगे से ना तो फिर वो पूरा जो dandruff होता है oily dandruff create करेगा and it also will make the scalp more sweaty or more oily. So the correct way is to just to use it on the hair ends. And yes, another myth which is there, people have asked me this couple of times. They say कि shampoo with conditioner अगर use किया तो अलग से conditioner की जरूरत नहीं है. That's not true. What it means, it's a gentle
shampoo with conditioner.
हाँ होता है ना 2-in-1 shampoo है, shampoo with conditioner मैं use कर दूँ. That's what people call and say. So they have these shampoos which are named 2-in-1 shampoo. So they say shampoo with conditioner. What it has a conditioning agent like a hydrating, moisturizing होता है वो. So it's meant for dry damage, but you still need a conditioner, especially females who have long hair. So yes, that's one thing. Another thing, if you guys want to know about hair, because a lot of hair questions have been coming, I think what's happening, Sana, is with the restrictions, with the lockdown, with the stress, lot of hair issues are happening. So when we look at one more myth which is that people think कि oil लगा दो भर भर के पूरा चम्पी बना दो और फिर वो hair fall जाएगा. तो scalp का जो skin है it's so okay. Nothing is able to get absorbed deeper into the skin of the scalp. 15-20 minutes is more than enough for you to keep that oil, and that also just for fingertips dip it into coconut oil, just do a gentle massage, leave it on for 15 minutes to half an hour, and then rinse it off with nice shampoo and conditioner. ज्यादा लगाओगे पता है क्या होगा, वो जो बालों में पूरा वो ऑयल जमा हो जाता है. Then you need to rinse it twice with the shampoo, and then the hair gets really dry. And ज़्यादा टाइम रखोगी
someone asks how do we treat summer rashes?
How do we
treat summer rashes?
Okay, so summer rashes, if they mean on the body, these are little heat boils or heat rashes. So main thing is ज़्यादा sweat, ज़्यादा heat से ये rashes हो सकते हैं. अगर face पे है तो it could be a sensitive skin condition. So you need to keep the body cool. अगर sweaty, just put a dusting powder. So yeah, and a lot of water.
Dusting powder, correct.
Yes. Okay, there was earlier, Sana, there was a question about your journey in Splitsvilla.
Oh my God, everybody knows about my journey in Splitsvilla. Guys, we only have 4 minutes left because I think after an hour the live goes off. So, yeah, let's talk. Let's keep the Splitsvilla journey for later. Yes. My journey in Splitsvilla that was the first time I faced camera. Okay, let me go through it. That was the first time I faced camera, and it was very surprising. Yeah, the journey so the journey was good and very surprising. and I got to know a lot of things about how things work on camera. So yeah, it
Okay.
was quite an experience about Splitsvilla.
Okay,
And
so next
when am I coming live with Adhik? I don't know. I think me and Adhik will decide about that.
Okay, so I think let's kind of call it a day with Shanti Chai and maybe
Yay! Thali chai.
cheers,
So
cheers.
this is one of the cups that I got it as a gift by. It's by
Yeah.
Sia.
I see it
She's
now.
a-
Oh,
Yes, it's by
you look so
Sia.
pretty.
She's a thank you.
Yeah.
I have
Okay,
many gifts like that. Sweet gifts from my sweetest son.
next time let's
Yes,
check out interesting
sure.
things. So Sana, thank you so much. I think we both wanted to do this, and it was so much fun, so much information rolling out there. So my take on this, which I spoke about in my last Insta Live session, also was this is
Yeah.
the time when you have to pause, take a little breather. And there's a program that I'm introducing in the Skin First Clinic. So keep a watch on my post on the Skin First handle. It's
Okay.
going to be, it's like a holistic and a wellness approach towards mind, body, and skin. So
Okay.
it is called a Renew program that we have. So it's basically you need to pause, take a breather, and then we are going to reset the program. So reset, and renew is the program. So we're going to have a lot of things around it. Okay.
Right.
So yes. So on that note, I would definitely like to say that guys, please follow all the norms and be
Please
safe.
stay at home. Yes. Please don't create troubles for others. आप घर पर रहें, खुद भी सुरक्षित रहें, दूसरों को भी सुरक्षित रखें. Thank you.
Yes. Bye. And thanks to all the followers